How to turn off iPhone software update notifications? First, it's important to know that Apple does not provide an official option to permanently disable software update notifications on iPhone. However, there are a few things you can try to reduce them. Open the Settings app and tap General. Then select Date and Time. Turn Set Automatically off. Then manually change the date to 1 month earlier. For example, if today's date is July 20th, set it to a date in June. After changing the date, use your iPhone normally and see if the update notification stops appearing. Keep in mind that this is only a temporary workaround and may not work on every version of iOS. It can also affect apps, reminders, and other services that rely on the correct date and time. If you're using the latest version of iOS, the most reliable solution is simply to dismiss the notification until Apple releases another software update that addresses the issue. That's all. I hope this video helped you understand your options for managing iPhone software update notifications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more iPhone tips and tutorials.